This is a AJS 350 Trials bike from 1960. It's a rather rare one because according to the engine and frame number it's a works bike, and so it's always been a trials bike, and as you can see it's restored to an exceptional condition, as close to original as you can get it, with just slight modification. I've put on a BTH magneto which has got the advance and retard built into it, so I don't have a lever on the handlebars that I need to adjust when we're starting it. As you can see, it's in exceptional condition. Personally, I think it's too good to be used in anger off-road. It should be in a museum or in a private collection, or as I had it for over a year, in the kitchen. It's a great bike. It starts well, runs well. I mean, it's got more road gearing than off-road gearing, but as I said, I think it's just too pretty to use, to be honest. So I'll show you how it starts anyway. Turn on the petrol, and on this side it's got the stand, which, like the most of these bikes, flicks up as you start, so remember that. The engine's a little bit warm, so I don't think we need the choke. So just give it a little tickle on the carburetor, and onto compression. Valve lifter in, just ease it just over compression, and then give it a kick. Works on it, very quiet engine, good gearbox, brakes. So to stop this one, like most of the others, you just pull in on the valve lifter and it stops immediately. I've decided I've had this bike long enough, and I'm happy to pass it on now to someone else to enjoy. So I'm going to sell it, and I'm asking £9,000 UK for this. If you're interested, contact me on peter@petersmachines.com and I'll give you more information. Thanks for looking.